Hiding the breadcrumb in WordPress can be done in several ways depending on your theme or plugins. Here's a simple guide to hide breadcrumbs. Using theme settings. Many WordPress themes have an option to enable or disable breadcrumbs directly from the theme settings. Here's how. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, Customize. Look for breadcrumb settings. This could be under sections like Theme Settings, Layout, or General Settings. If the option is available, simply toggle off or uncheck the Enable Breadcrumbs option. Save your changes. Using a plugin. If your theme doesn't have an option to hide breadcrumbs, you can use a plugin like Yoast SEO. Install and activate Yoast SEO from the WordPress plugin repository. Go to SEO, search Appearance in the dashboard. Under the Breadcrumbs tab, disable the breadcrumbs by toggling the option to No. Save the settings. Using CSS. You can also hide breadcrumbs with custom CSS. Go to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS. Add the following CSS code. Publish the changes.